The People's National Party rejects the Prime Minister's attempt in a speech in Mandeville last night to blame the opposition for the country's high rate of violent crime and the government's inability to provide solutions to this chronic problem. Any blame for the last 8 years of failure lies squarely with the Andrew Holness government, which has been in power for 2 consecutive terms. Our party president, Mark Golding, has stated,
"The Prime Minister is clearly desperate and becoming unhinged in his pathetic attempt to shift blame for his own government's poor performance. When a government starts to blame the opposition for its failures, you know that time comes."
We believe that rather than casting blame on others for its failings, the government needs to engage with the opposition in constructive dialogue in good faith.